Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. Thanks you for coming this presentation. My name is Kai.
My name is Kawai Sabitra Madani.
My name is Siti Ainun.
My name is Siti Musliha.
Here we will show you how to make a pancake.
Ingredients: 2 spoons of sugar, 250 ml of milk, 1 pack of flour, 2 eggs, 1 sachet of butter. How to make?
Add 15 tablespoons of flour. Break 2 eggs and mix well. Add the beaten eggs into the flour.
After packing 2 spoons of sugar into the dough,
Add full cream milk.
After all the dough is mixed, then stir the dough until evenly distributed.
then heat the pan and pour the butter into the pan.
Put the dough into the pan.
After half cooked, turn the dough and wait until the dough is browned.
After the dough turns brown, put the dough into a pan.
Do it again until the dough runs out.
Do it again until the dough runs out.
Do it again until the dough runs out. Stack the dough up to several layers.
After everything is done and the sweet condensation of the pancakes.
Finally, pancakes are ready to serve. Thanks for watching.